So this is Arif Mohammad Khan from Java Techno Center. So hash map changing in JDK 1.7 and JDK 1.8. So there is some performance improvement done on hash map and array list from JDK 1.7, which reduce the memory consumption. Due to this empty map are lazy initialized. Will cost you less memory. Got it? So before JDK 1.7 or 1.8, it was in JDK 6 that whenever we are just creating the hash map, so hash map is automatically create the object of size 16. Got it? So some hash map store less values. So in that scenario, what happens means less. Suppose that if it utilize only 5 length, so definitely if utilize 5 length, then definitely 11 data length is useless. So in that scenario, it will be the drawback of the hash map to be utilized. After some research, Java team found that most of the map are temporary and never use that many elements and only end up wasting of the memory. Got it? So also from JDK 1.8 onwards, HashMap introduced an improved strategy to deal with the high collision rate. Since a poor hash function which always return location of the bucket can return a hash map into linked list. Got it? So we can implement in JDK 1.8, we can implement converting get method to perform on instead of o1, and someone can take advantage of this fact. Java now internally replace linked list to binary tree. Once certain threshold is breached. This ensures the performance or order o log n even in the worst case where hash function is not distributing keys properly. So there are lot change. Number first, algorithm has been changed, collection has been changed. Now hash map is utilizing the binary tree, and one of the big utilization of lazy initialization. Map right now, hash map is having the lazy initialization, that is on demand, not the eager initialization. Got it? So it is not the 16 now. So whenever it required, then it will be resizing. Thank you for watching it.